Hello to all my friends out there. So, I hope everyone is doing okay. It's nice here, it finally cooled down, but I heard it's getting hot again in Arizona. Ooh, this smells so good. This is saddlewood from 99 cents only. So I heard that the heat has returned to Arizona, and I thought, oh no, I hope it doesn't come to San Diego. So I have a creamy chicken top ramen, and so tonight I will be making a very cost-effective meal. So for the rest of the month, which is only a few days, I want to make some really cheap meals. I actually like this, so I stockpile top ramen. And then, every once in a while I eat it. When you're eating really cheap food like top ramen, you can always eat 4 meals a day if you get hungry. It's so cheap, why not? This is one of the better top ramens, this creamy chicken. This is hard to find. So now, to go into my top ramen, I cook 2 hot dogs. These are going to taste better if you roast them or if you boil them and then fry them in a little oil. So I just want to cut them in bite-sized pieces. These could be sausages or Vienna sausages, anything you have. So now I have 1 egg, and I want to add about a tablespoon of water to my egg. And I want to beat my egg good. You can put a pat of butter and some cheese and an egg too. So that is adding some protein. See my egg? That is adding some protein to your top ramen. I do not agree going meatless. I think the thing to do is find very cheap meat and eat that every couple of days. That's going to cut your budget down. And so then you want to stir this around like egg drop soup. This is also a good one, like, when you're really hungry and you need a bite to eat quick like. So then you want to cook it for a minute to make sure the egg is done. And then if you have chives, and I have some 25-cent cola. And now I'm going to put my hot dogs in here. So you might be thinking to yourself, Rhoda, that cannot taste good. Yes, you guys, it does taste good. And I can't believe I forgot to. Now this is one of the best hot sauces for top ramen. Sometimes I use Mexican hot sauce, but this is the good one. All right, now let me get I didn't bring my bowl. Of course not. And I made a tasty batch of flatbread. These are good. I don't put anything on them. You can put butter on them if you want. And all you have to do is carefully mix it up and then let it sit for 10 minutes. And then you just roll it out and you fry it in some oil. I finally got this recipe during the last, during the pandemic. I had the 2 extremes. I had one lady say, "Where's your mask?" when I was out. The other outside yesterday, "Where's your mask?" when I was outside. And then I had the one today who wasn't socially distancing and said, oh, well, you know, this is over now. I thought, oh my God. Are they telling people that this is over on the news? I don't believe it's over. I think that's... And today, yes, I saw several obviously sick people, you know, coughing. I thought, oh my God. In every instance, the people who have come up with this have let down their guard, so don't let that be you. So now let me put, I usually put about 5 drops. Whoops, I got 1 mega drop. You guys, my mouth is watering. Take a look at this. You can get by on this, you guys. It's very yummy. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.